Hey there, it's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. I received a package from 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾𝓬𝓽 today, and it is a little bit larger than I would normally get. So this is the sub bag, I think. So we're going to be opening this together. This is very exciting. I don't know what it is. Okay. There are a bunch of little random things in bags. Shimmer Ice. And these are glitter? I'll open it and do swatches after this, but I didn't want to open it now and make a mess everywhere. The second thing I got, it's called Twinkling Pink Tourmaline. And here's the color in the jar. Here it is. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. This one is pink to purple temp changer. Wow, this is so cool. It's like a bunch of little small things. It's like Christmas. Oh, this is so pretty. They're green flakes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, I just realized something. It's an advent calendar. Because there's numbers on the bag. I didn't even know. I've opened up 1, 2, and 3. Wow. I actually just opened it up in order. So let's find 4. How cool is this? Okay, 4, where are you? Here's 4. I'm not really good at surprises, so I don't tend to wait when I get advent calendars. This one is called Treasure Turquoise. It's the color in the jar. Okay, also in 4 is, it looks like a file. Ooh, it's an 80/80 grit. I was just about to buy one of these because I needed it to file, my extensions off. Okay, number 5. Number 5, Alluring Amethyst. You know what? I think this is the, yeah, the theme is gemstones, I want to say, if I remember correctly. Very pretty. Now 6. Leave it up to Sparkle to like outdo their bags. Ooh. They're like little rhinestones. It's called Rhinestone Queens, but it's like holographic, silver holographic. I think there's 12. It looks like there's 12. You're supposed to open one every other day. This one is called Bling Bling Bling. Very pretty. It's nail lacquer. This is really, really pretty. Angelic Aquamarine. That was 8. Oh, I guess I skipped 7. Oopsie. Here's 7. Radiant Ruby. Oh, it also has the month that the birthstone is for. You can always use a beautiful red. This one is November, Cherish Citrine. Oh, that's pretty. I love how these colors are just not holiday colors. You can use it year round. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So 9. There's a card right here. I didn't even open it first, but it's their gemstone bag. Pretty Peridot. Peridot, maybe? 10. It is a buffing block. And this is a nice one too. It's a nice grit, very gritty one. 11. Looks like Chrome, Glam Chrome. And the last bag is number 12. The liquid for the month is cuticle oil. It is called Oopsie 65. Now, opening this bag where I should have from the beginning. Birthstones. This is the November bag, not December. Oh, yeah, they wanted to create an advent to celebrate each of the birthstone shades. Well, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. I will probably be doing a mani with some of these colors. Oh. What's it say? Sparkle. Sparkle, bling, and shine. That's what that says. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in my next video.